Electricians use some seriously cool advanced tools that make their work way easier and way more precise, like circuit testers, wire strippers, multimeters, fish tapes, and thermal imaging cameras. So, if you want to know what these tools actually do, here's the lowdown. Circuit testers help electricians check if there's power flowing through wires, so they don't get zapped by surprise. Wire strippers are like the scissors for wires. They take off the insulation without cutting the wire itself, which is clutch when you gotta connect stuff. Multimeters are super handy because they measure voltage, current, and resistance all in one tool, making it easier to troubleshoot electrical problems. Fish tape is this long, flexible tool electricians use to pull wires through walls or tight spaces without losing their minds. Then there's the thermal imaging camera, which sounds fancy but basically lets electricians see heat coming off wires or equipment to spot problems before they explode into bigger issues. Using these tools right not only saves time but keeps everyone safe, which is obviously a huge deal. One of the biggest mistakes electricians or even DIY folks make is not testing circuits properly before messing with them. Always use a circuit tester to avoid shocks. Another common slip-up is using dull or wrong-sized wire strippers, which can mess up your wires and cause bad connections. Grabbing the right tool is key here. Lastly, ignoring signs like overheating or weird smells can lead to disasters. That's where a thermal imaging camera comes in handy by spotting hot spots early so you can fix things before they blow. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors find new work without all the hassle of marketing themselves on their own.